Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the steamer drawer on the Kenmore gas dryer. Okay, you're gonna want to slide the door open. And remove the little water tank. And with a screwdriver, you're gonna wedge the glide up and out. Here's a better view coming up. There's your guide right there, right in the middle with the lines on it. You're just gonna go underneath with a screwdriver, push up on it, push up with the screwdriver like that, and then pull it out. And that the guide locks onto that area, so once you push it up, it'll go over the housing right there. Now, to install it, you're just gonna stick the drawer back into the slots, lift up on the guide up there, and push forward, and it's back in place again. Reapply the water tank, and spin that around, and slide it on in. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.